Hello dear students, hope you all are safe and in good health. I heartily welcome you all on behalf of Oshwal Education Trust. As we gear up for the new academic session through e-learning, you all will be wondering as to which platform we are going to use. Don't worry, I am here to take you all to the virtual tour of our e-learning platform. Our students mean a lot to us and so is their privacy. Keeping this in mind, our companion to our e-learning journey will be the mobile app provided by Microsoft, commonly known as Microsoft Teams. The app, which is available for Android as well as on iStore. For effortless journey to our e-learning, there are certain things which need to be done from your end, like installing an app and having some basic knowledge of the app. So, let us just quickly toggle to the Play Store or to the iStore as it applies and download the Microsoft Teams app. The thing which you are supposed to do is just land to the Play Store, type Teams or Microsoft Teams and you will be landing on this page. Install the app. Once the app is installed, click on open. The app will pop up you to sign in. Sign in, they will ask you to mention the email ID. Please note over here that you are supposed to sign in with the email IDs provided to you by Oshwal Education Trust. As you can see, I am entering the email ID provided by Oshwal Education Trust. You won't be able to sign with any other email ID, so keep this thing in mind. And to avoid last minute rush up, I would request you all to install this app as early as possible. Once you enter your email ID, just make sure that you have entered all the spellings correct, like your name and specifically the domain, that is oshwaleducationtrust.org. Once you enter your email ID correctly, just press sign in. The app will pop up you to enter your password. Again, enter your password and you will be logged in to this app. As you can see, I entered my password and logged in to this app. Now, there are so many buttons to quickly toggle you between the thing. Out of this, the third button known as Teams over here. As you can see on the screen, there is one team which is named as BCom Sem 5A. If you are a student of BCom Sem 5 and of A division, you will be added to this team by default. All the online lectures will be taken to your respective classes. So, the team in which you have been added by us will be displayed on this third icon known as team. All the online sessions will be carried on this particular class only. Now you will be wondering how you all will know as to at what timing and of what subject the lecture is going to be scheduled. Worry not. Now just quickly toggle on the last second option known as calendar. As you can see on the screen, there is one meeting scheduled known as Business Mathematics and Statistics. See, if you are a student of BCom Sem 5, Business Mathematics and Statistics is your core subject. Whosoever is taking Business Mathematics and Statistics will schedule a meeting and will add your division to that meeting. Once the person adds this, the meeting will be appearing on this icon. On which icon? On the icon known as calendar. Right? In case, due to any of the reason, the meeting is not available, there are other options too. But by default, the meeting will be appeared on the icon calendar. Now as you can see, at what time I am going to commence my lecture? I am going to commence my lecture at 3 o'clock. So, what you are supposed to do? Get ready before the scheduled time and once clock hits 3, what you're supposed to do? Join the meeting. Once you join the meeting, you can see all the participants joining the meeting and your respective faculties taking the lecture. Now, this is the first option of the meeting available to you. Now, just assume that due to any of the reason, the meeting is not visible on this calendar icon. Worry not, there are other options too. Just go to the first option, that is activity. Click on the activity and at last you can see that your respective faculty has scheduled a meeting. On which date? Today, that is 13 June, and at what time? At 3 o'clock. Once you are done with this, once you join, what I expect is that you all learn and enjoy the session. As of now, this is all your host wants to convey to you all. Hope to see you all in the online sessions. So guys, get ready to rock and gear up for the new academic session. Thank you. And yes, last but not the least, in case you have any queries, do contact us beforehand so that we can solve your queries on time. Thank you. Have a great day. Meet you all in our e-learning process.